When most people come to Montalcino, they come here for the king of Italian wines, Brunello di Montalcino. But there is much more to this town than just the wine. Like this 14th century fortress that you see located at the top of the hill and accessible so that you can walk around the perimeter of its walls. Or the breathtaking views of the surrounding valleys. Or the many charming streets which are lined with enoteche, which is the Italian word for wine bar. And you'll find one every few feet here in Montalcino. Or the 14th century Palazzo dei Priori, here in Montalcino's central piazza, the Piazza del Popolo. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly. Salute.